Good afternoon, everyone. Well, I get asked about this a lot, and I've done a lot of videos on this, but they were a while ago. Let's do an updated one. MARTATCH grapples, MARTATCH. We have been using these, well, let's get it in. We have been using these for years. We ran this on the Case 60XT that is our yard machine now. That's how long we've been running it. When we get the Kubota, 2017, I believe. So we've been running this. And the biggest thing I get is about the rotator. How does it rotate? Is it manual rotate? People will call about it. They hear it's manual rotate. They're like, boop. Don't do that. Don't hang up. $5,000 for manual or for hydraulic rotate. Then what? Where are all your hydraulic lines? You got hydraulic lines coming out here. They come around, boop, and they go on the front. Everything's sticking out there. Why do you want that? Look at this is called the hose saver. 2 hoses there. This is your manual rotator here. 2 hoses there. Come down up here. We run them down and up and around and in. And that's it. This thing works awesome. I can't say enough good things about this grapple. Sorry if I'm yelling. I'm a wee bit excited. I love running these things. They can be so much fun. And again, you guys are going to see here in a second. I got the GoPro set up in the cab, and you'll see it running. Like, just you'll hear me. Don't need a rotator. Kind of starts getting old, but honestly, you don't. We've done it. I get you skid backwards and stuff. Just don't. Make sure you're holding the log. You can curl it back, and that there's a plate behind there that this is holding on to. There's like a little heel rack and stuff there, so you can stack. We stack log. We do everything with it. We can stack, skid. We can separate materials. You'll see it all. There's some small stuff I'm going through. Works amazing. And they're priced fantastic. I don't want to knock the other brands. They make great grapples. But I think this is the best on the market. My opinion. We've been running this 3 years, I think, this grapple. Hydraulic lines, yeah, they get wear, they're moving. We have changed them. They're short. They're actually really smart how they did them to shorten them up so you don't have to change a super long hose. 2 hoses I think I've changed on it. 0 welding, 0 problem with a hydraulic cylinder so far. We have a spare hydraulic cylinder just in case. We got 2 grapples so we can swap parts, and we have a full set of hydraulic lines for this. So we could change every line on this thing today if we needed to. And that's how you have it. Plus extra couplers and stuff. You always want to have spare parts if you can. Obviously, price makes it a little bit. We don't carry the cylinder around with us, but we do have one just in case. You never know. But these things are great. And orange, like the Kubotas. But I'll get you in there. We're doing a little bit. We're right at the field's edge. There's a road right out there. You see the cars going by. But yeah, buckthorn. I think they took out a lot of maple here too. By the time we're done, this is basically not even going to be a wood lot, this section of the woods. By the time the ash is all removed, it's all dead anyway. They might as well just turn it into field, in my opinion. But let's get going. You can see it run. Fun. So that's how tight it closes. 3-inch. Still no rotator. How do you think I can throw this? Ready? Oh, not very far. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I can't say enough good things about this grapple. Like I said, we've been running them for years. They've made a lot of changes to them from when we first started running them, and these things are tough. I don't want to say we beat on the equipment, but everybody knows logging is hard on equipment, and these things last. They work awesome. Awesome. Anyway, if you guys are, and this isn't, I get asked all the time, so it just saves me getting emails on this or the comments. If you guys are interested in one, call MARTATCH direct. I'll put a link down below, but you call him direct. Ask for John. He is the owner. He will be the guy that deals with us to sell them. He sells them direct. They don't really go through dealers, I guess, but unless they changed. I know in the past they didn't. So give them a call. Tell them where you saw it. Skidder Kev sent you over. So again, thanks for watching. And like always, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Score!